Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, I will explain about how auroras form understanding nature's light display. Auroras are one of the most beautiful natural phenomena in the world. They appear as colorful lights dancing across the night sky, especially near the north and south poles. Auroras are commonly known as the northern lights or aurora borealis and the southern lights or aurora australis. And in this presentation, I will explain what causes auroras, where they occur, how the colors are produced, and the factor that influence their intensity. So the contents of this presentation is the science behind aurora and also the process of aurora formation. First, the science behind auroras. What causes auroras? First, let's talk about what causes auroras. Auroras begin with the sun. The sun releases streams of charged particles called solar winds. These particles travel through space at very high speeds. When the charged particles reach Earth, they interact with Earth's magnetic field. The magnetic field acts like a shield that protects our planet from harmful solar radiation. Instead of entering directly, the particles are carried toward the polar regions by Earth's magnetic fault lines. When they enter the upper atmosphere, they collide with gases such as oxygen and nitrogen. Collide with gases such as oxygen and nitrogen, and this collision releases energy in the form of light, which creates the beautiful auroras we can see in the sky. Nice. Where auroras occur? Next, let's discuss where auroras occur. Auroras mainly appear near the Earth's polar regions. In the northern hemisphere, they can often be seen in countries like Norway, Iceland, Canada, and also Alaska. In the southern hemisphere, they occur in Antarctica and part of New Zealand. Auroras form in areas called aurora ovals, which are oval-shaped zones around the magnetic poles. They also occur very high above Earth's surface between around 80 and 30 km in altitude, within the atmosphere and lower exosphere atmosphere layers, because these areas are far from city lights and population. Auroras are usually more visible there. Next, the process of aurora formation. Particle collision and light emission. Now let's see how auroras produce different colors. When charged particles from the sun collide with atmospheric gases, energy is transferred to atoms and molecules in the atmosphere. These excited atoms then release light energy. Different gases create different aurora colors. For example, oxygen usually produces green and red lights, while nitrogen creates blue and purple colors. The altitude also affects the color. Green auroras are the most common because they form at medium altitude where oxygen is abundant. This is why auroras often look colorful and dynamic in the night sky. Next, factor influencing aurora intensity. Finally, let's discuss the factors that influence aurora intensity. The first factor is solar activity. When the sun becomes more active, it releases more solar wind and charged particles. This makes auroras brighter and more visible. And another important factor is geomagnetic storm. The storm happens when strong solar wind disturbs Earth's magnetic field. During geomagnetic storm, auroras can become much stronger and may even appear in a region further from the pole. This is why auroras are sometimes visible in unusual places during periods of intense solar activity. That's all from me, guys. Thank you for your attention and bye bye.